Okay, gandang pagmasdan ang iyong mga mata, kumikinang-kinang. Di ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin, labis ang mga ningning. Langit ay bumaba, bumababa pala ang tala. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig, at kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang
Nag-meet kami sa Mascara. One of the cultural events ng church is yung Mascara way back 2017. And at first, di ko naman siya napapansin nun, but then because of the activities, sayaw and then engagement, ganyan, nakilala ko siya. Mas nakilala ko siya. Ganyan. And I think back then, parang wala pa ako sa ano nun kasi nag-prepare ako for mission, but then she came. And yeah, she waited, and then yeah, right?
Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig, at kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka. Hawakan ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Ikaw lang ang iibigin, sinta.
Na mapanood mo man to, mahangin. Today, June 21, 2025 is a day to remember. Or certainly a day to remember. And I'll always be grateful that you came into my life and that you chose me and that I chose you. And it's always my hope and my prayer that you love me, that you love me more every day, and I promise to reciprocate it. And as we talked about it before, I promise that I'll be the most supportive wife so that you can fulfill your priesthood callings, magnify them. And I love you so much, and I'm grateful to have a Christ-centered relationship with you. And now, one more step to eternity. I love you so